riches are in the niches.
Yes.
So if
Yes.
you want to get rich, find a niche, and not
And it's
not just a niche, but a sub niche of a sub niche.
yes, and it's also much easier when you niche down to have to do your front end marketing, because it's much easier to say to one, like if you learn someone one specific thing, like we help people make money on YouTube. That's the only thing what we do. And it's very easy to attract people with the front end marketing messages. But if we would say we help you make money online through all the business methods that are out there, you don't really attract the people that want to learn only via YouTube. So yes, for your front end marketing, it's also much easier.
And not only just on YouTube, we're going even deeper. Our strategy is specifically for searchable content, which I really think we're like pretty much the only ones on YouTube or anywhere who like talks about this like all the time. I mean, like there are many guys who do it, but there's none who are like you and me who actually talk about the searchable like strategy and how to take advantage of it, how to find, you know, topics to make videos about, how to do videos and all of that.
Affiliate marketing, yeah. I agree.
Yeah.
It's also, to be honest, like it's pretty dull. Like it's a niche that works because it's all based on data, but like it's not as fancy. Like you can't like show crazy numbers. I've done millions of sales, like what you can do with Shopify and that kind of stuff. Like it's pretty straightforward and simple. So maybe that's why some people don't talk as much about it, but we're still here.
Yeah, but also keep in mind, like you and I, we're not super far away. You know, we're really relatable to people because, well, first off, we're really transparent and we have these like dialogues, right? We're like really open for like a long time now. But at the same time, also, we don't make crazy numbers. And that is, I would argue, to some extent, our advantage. Because if someone shows you like 100 grand a month, right, or whatever, it's like, it's hard to even comprehend. Like, you know, some people make that in like, you know, 1 year, 2 year, whatever, right? So it's like even hard to imagine. But if you say like, for example, you know, I make 7 grand a month, okay, well, a lot of people make like 3 to 5 grand a month, right? And 7 grand making by yourself without an employer, right? Online is like cool. It's like manageable. It's
realistic.
Yeah, it's realistic and it's like relatable as well. So we carved our own little niche here, as you can see, and that's one big takeaway from yesterday as well.